What's the meaning of blowlamp? Blowlamp. Blowlamp.
Blowlamp. Blowlamp. A blowlamp is a portable device that produces a hot flame by burning fuel with air. It is commonly used for soldering, brazing, and welding, as well as for heating and thawing pipes, removing paint, and lighting fires. Blowlamps typically use propane, butane, or a mixture of the two as fuel, and they may feature a piezoelectric starter or require a match or lighter to be ignited. While blowlamps can be relatively safe when used properly, they do carry a risk of fire, explosion, and burns if mishandled or left unattended. Therefore, it is important to follow safety guidelines when using a blowlamp.